Guys, welcome back to another Boss Basine video, and in today's video, it's quarantine time, and I'm ordering things online from Amazon that can hopefully entertain me. And today, we've ordered a Rubik's Cube, guys. This is a speed cube. It is the MGC V2M. I don't know, Chinese people come up with like really long names with like letters and numbers. Magnetic. Hopefully this is a better quality cube. First impressions, I like the box. I like this sort of cover thing. That looks very nice. Let's go and crack this cube open. It was $20, which is kind of a lot, but I'm bored. And hopefully this is a good speed cube. So good speed cubes come in a box like this, and they come with the cube itself. This guy's bad boy. Let's go and crack open this guy and see what he has inside. Yep, he has the classic things you need. He has the screwdriver with the magnet, which is already sticking to the screwdriver. Look at that. These are replacement magnets for the cube. You also have two different springs that you can put in the cube. And then a little booklet, which we may use a bit later. Let's go and put everything in here. Yeah, really nice packaging. I like that a lot. It comes with a lot of customization. These springs really change how the cube feels. But let's go ahead and crack open this cube. First impressions, I'm not a great cuber. I want to learn how to speed cube, so that's why I bought a cube. There's this one company called GAN, G-A-N. People say they are the Apple of Rubik's cubes. And their cube was like 60 bucks, so yeah, I'm not paying 60 bucks for a cube, but let's take a look. Okay, yeah, magnets aren't very strong. Ooh. Satisfying, guys. This is very loose right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You can corner twist super easily. That's not a good sign, because the stability is not very good right now. But corner cutting should be very good. Like, look at this. Corner cutting is really good. Reverse corner cutting is also very good. The speed of the cube is very good right now, but stability not so much. So we're gonna go ahead, take a look. Yeah. I just messed it up. It's okay, I know I solved it. I wanna try to customize this a little bit. I think blue is stronger springs. Little springs. Yeah, I'm gonna play around with this. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together first. The Rubik's Cubes are pretty easy to put together. Strings here, which I believe are glue. I don't want to mess with it too much though, so let's go ahead and place this cap back on for now. And let's put this bad boy back together. Oh yeah, you can see the magnets. You can see there's like many magnets in there. You can't really change you can't adjust the strength of the magnets. This good Rubik's Cube always has some good magnets. Obviously, I'm not an expert in adjusting cubes, but I will try not to break this thing. This opens up pretty wide. Actually, okay, there we go. Good as new.